back testing. I'm not gonna act like I'm new to this, but I've never made a video on it. My quote unquote. I mean, everyone just like copies the same shit. It's AMD accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I trade more of a reversal model. I know people that trade continuation, but I don't really. I just don't like it. I don't like the chase price. So for me, psychologically, I think it's better to do reversals, and you get better RR and everything. So we're gonna get right into it. Also, there's this shitty, what is it? This shitty watermark because I'm using a free software. One day we're gonna get a payout, guys. We're gonna get payouts. We're gonna upgrade the whole setup. But for now, we gotta work with what we have. So let's get this shit. So I do, I'm back testing. I do have about a 70% win rate. Never mind 76, and that's across, plenty of trades. 29 winners and 9 losers. But we're gonna make a new session, and we're gonna make it 50k. Now we're gonna call it eval. It's gonna be like we're trying to pass an eval pretty much. Strategy, who cares? 5 symbols. We're gonna do micro futures, micro yes, then NQ and ES again. There you go. Also, something else that I'm gonna start doing is just simply trading more with micros instead of minis. Like I'll still risk 1%, but it gives me more like management, more flexibility. Yes, that's the word. More flexibility. Like instead of trading, I don't know, a full mini when I should be, instead of like risking more, I trade like 8 micros, like depending on the trade and the amount of points I'm willing to absorb. Okay, let's go 50k. Our goal is to make, oh yeah, let's say we're gonna pass this eval 2025, let's say April, spring. Cool. From first, then here we're gonna put into. Also, guys, the thing that I use is called TradeZella. You can backtest just on TradingView and using replay mode, but it's not really the same thing. It doesn't give you the stats. And with TradeZella, unlike FX Replay, you can actually journal here as well. And I'm pretty sure it's the same price as FX Replay, if I'm not wrong. If I am wrong, let me know. But it's just really good. It's better than a Notion. That's the thing that I was using before. Anyway, let's go. Also, I'm paranoid. I'm gonna check if OBS is actually recording. Yes, we are. Let's go. Okay, what the fuck? I'm gonna change this to 1. And then I'm gonna put in my chart colors. I really recommend whenever you're trading, trade with your chart colors, just so you're not startled by this shit. So like you're gonna here. I just do black on black, bro. Black and white. The wick, and it's gonna be a grayish. Canvas, solid black, no lines. That's pretty much it. And then no volume indicator. Okay, let's go. Do we have news today? No, we don't. It's no news Monday. Cool. And then tomorrow we do. Cool. No, or is this it? Yeah, never mind. Okay, we do have news today at 10. We have 2 red folder news. Okay, so how would we approach the market? I usually like to mark out the. Hold on, give it a moment, guys. Give it a moment. I usually like to mark out the session open, so it'd be 9:30. There you go. And then we're gonna fast forward this bitch. Wow. Okay. Huge sell-off. 6. And what's the context? The thing that I don't like about backtesting is like the context. Like you can't really get much context, and of course you don't have the same indicators. It's not the same environment at all. But it's just good to like, practice and get some stats on your model. But other than that, it's really not necessary. Okay, I do find it to be necessary, but not fucking mandatory once you get to a certain point and you're able to trade and get payouts. But I'm fucking broke and it's a Sunday. Markets are closed, the gym is closed, so I really don't have much else to be doing. Okay, so what do we have here? It seems like we're extremely bullish, unless we take out this low before expanding higher. So that's another thing that we could be looking at. But we're like in the pits of hell, bro. I don't know what happened here. Okay, let's trade. Let's go into the daily. I usually like to start off by the daily, see if we have a good, strong liquidity. We might, I'm just gonna mark it out, but we might or might not hit this previous daily close. I mean, daily wick. This is the close. Okay. 4 hour. We're trading inside a bearish gap. We haven't tapped it yet. So we actually inversed this one. We actually just inversed this one, so we could expand higher or tap into this way larger fair value gap and just go lower. But I do really think we're going to expand higher just because, yeah, this looks like a liquidity sweep. Again, I'm unprofitable, guys. Don't take advice from me. I'm just like back testing and talking shit, okay? Don't take advice from me. I'm unprofitable. No payouts yet. Okay. Okay. On the 1 hour, how's it looking like? It does. Yeah, we're generating a lot of low resistance liquidity here, but we are bullish. I'll say that. I will mark out this, and we already hit the previous day close, so I can actually remove that. That liquidity pool has been hit, so if that liquidity pool has been hit, honestly, we are very much going to expand higher. I don't know if I should trade off market open. Yeah, no, because we could go lower before expanding higher. So so I mark out this low. This is not London, this is Asia low. This would be the London low. So you have these two liquidities that could be swept, and of course I'll mark out the London highs. Let's just see what market does. Let's just see what market does off open. What the fuck? Hello? Is my laptop okay? Okay, bear with me, guys. Please tell me you didn't delete everything, please. Okay, thank you. Okay. Was that a liquidity sweep? I don't know, man. Okay. Okay, looks like we just swept these lows. Yeah, okay. Pretty choppy price action. And then 5 minute. Yeah, we just hit these lows. And we did inverse this fair value gap this on the 5 minute, so I want to go long here, and I definitely want to do it before this candle. So yeah, so I messed up because I shouldn't have fast forwarded this soon, but the trade would have been from this candle closure to maybe not that full high, but maybe here, possibly 1 to 3. Yeah, I want to do like 1 to 3 max. I wouldn't need to go for like a 1 to 5, but this would have been the trades. So should I count it? Because I did accidentally not open beforehand. You know what? I'll still count it because it's a part of my model. So yeah, this would have been the trades. Or should I just count it as a missed setup? I don't know. Let's just see if it hits full TP. So I'll just close it here. Okay, let's buy. Okay, now I need to do. Oh. I need to, okay. Stop below these lows. Actually, let me do, brighter stop loss. There you go. Stop below the fair value gap, or even at the low. I think this would be a better, better just because of the, like, yes, it's a low risk to reward ratio, but it's way more higher probability. So that's what we're gonna leave it at. And then, yeah, I don't know if I should start going based off the candle wicks or the full, like, you know, the full, this is even better actually, yeah. This right here, the 2 minute. Yeah, the wick or the actual candle closure. I think this is better, yeah. And we do get a clean rejection. Yeah, this is good. Especially on the 5 minute. It looks so much better on the 5 minute, but there we go. And then this is stop. It's 40 points. If the stop is 40 points, I need to get used to this now. Each micro is $2, so 40 times 2, that'd be one contract. So to risk 500, divided by 80, divided by 80, bro, 80, fuck, 500 divided by 80, I need to take 6 contracts. Okay, so 6 minis, 6 micros, and you're gonna buy. Boop. There you go. Stop loss at the wick. There you go. And then take profit at the high. Wait, I need a more prominent high. Probably this one. There you go. Okay, let's see if we run to full TP. There you go, 1 to 2 always. I don't think I'd ever want to do like a 1-to-1 trade. I don't like doing those. Let's see if we run to full TP or not. And I want to go break even at this high. Yeah, perfect. So I go break even here. A bit margin for the stats for the winning day. Ooh, we do get stopped out of break even. Okay. We do get fucked. I want to see what happens later. Okay. Okay, you end up sweeping this low. No way, and then we expand higher. Do we go to full take profit? Wow, okay. Okay, what did we learn, guys? Fuck. See, this is what I mean. I think I have better context if I wasn't trading like backtesting, but this is, look at that, bro. Imagine if I took that instead. Hold on the 2 minute. No, not enough. On the 1 minute. No, that looks weird too. 3 minute. Yeah, there'd be no inverse fair value gap, but wow. 5 minute. You couldn't even count that as a gap, bro. So honestly, the only viable trade that I'd take would be this one, which I got break even. So that's okay. We get a winning day, and we move on, bro. Like, we don't need to catch huge moves, even though this be, you know, like 150 take profit. Nah, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Let's go to the next day. Next day. Okay. Let me clear all this bullshit. Again, 30 minute. 9:30. And then it's 9:30, yes. Yes. what the fuck? I don't know if the camera is like too... I think it's better. Yes, no. Okay. Get closer. See how that looks. Okay. It's a little too high, but there's not much I can do about it. So. Maybe there is something I can do about it. No, no, I can't. Okay. Okay, huge sell-off. We sweep this low, possibly, from yesterday. Wow, didn't I say I was bullish? Look at that. Oh yeah, of course, I fucking forgot the news yesterday. Of course that's what happened. I should have waited for the news before trading. That's, wow, okay. Anyhow, we're currently at 150. That'd be a winning day, but why the fuck am I going for winning days on an eval? Never mind, never mind. Let's just keep going. It's just habit. It's just a habit, like. Okay. It's be 11 a.m. So these be the hours that I trade in between, and we're gonna do like a minute, a couple minutes. Okay, 4 hour. This be the 4 hour low. I don't think we're going that low though. Like you'd have to keep on selling off, which could happen. We could go all the way down here. So I will actually mark out this 4 hour low because it could happen that we hit it. I'll actually mark out this high as well. And for the 1 hour, wow, this is so bearish. Like we need to get like a clean reversal. Maybe we swept out this low, this hourly low, and then we get a reversal, but I'm not sure, honestly. 30 minute. Ooh, yeah. Okay, we're getting a bit of a rejection on the 30 minute, but it's still just like such a small retracement. It might not even be a full rejection. So let's see how we're going to market open. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, so huge bullish candle off market open. Then if I were to trade, it'd be up to... Wow, I don't even know. There's not like a very specific point in the market I see like a huge good draw liquidity. And there's news at 3 p.m. so it won't really affect it. Like, wow. Okay, this high will be something. Still such a... Yeah, that's still such a huge wow, okay. Well, I need to get an entry. And there's no entry here, so this was this. That could have been the trade, yeah. That could have honestly been the trade. I need to pay more attention. Look at this. This would have been the trade, chat. Fuck. Look at that. I need to stop missing shit. Like, look at that. This would have been the trade. Look, we've inversed this 2 minute off open to this high. Fuck. Like, we still will go lower. Never mind. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? We go all the way to Jupiter, bro. Okay, this would be like a continuation model. Like get a clean rejection out of this 2 minute. Yeah. And then Stop loss, take profit. Just be like a one-to-one chat. Just be like a one-to-one. How much should I risk here? What's the stop? 50 points, so I need to risk 4. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. And again, I don't like trading one-to-ones, but that's crazy. This would have been a crazy day for continuation traders in reversal. Wow. But look, imagine if I caught this move, bro. Be like a one to, hold on. This swing low, not even at the gap. No, 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 at the swing low, low. Then, imagine catching this, bro. I want the 7.4 RR. What? It's possible. Some people do it, but I'd probably just quit it around this high right here. Like no way I'd hold for that long. Here, I want the 4. I want the. I want the 4. Wow, that's insane. This just goes to show like there's always opportunities in the market, guys. There's always opportunities. Let's go to the next day. Next day open. Let's delete all these drawings. Back to the 30-minute. One guy's run past the accounts. Turn past the accounts. Where are we? Okay. 9:30. That's just a fast forward. Very low volatility. Okay, we do have news at 10 though, so that could do something. Wow, look at the sell-off though. That's crazy. So I'd be leaning bullish unless we have terrible news, just because there's not much. Wow, there's not much liquidity resting like anywhere near here. Like if you're going bearish, what would you target? Like what would be the liquidity? There's nothing here. It's literally just black. It's a void. Unless you go all the way down here, which would be very unlikely. Very unlikely that's a strong draw on liquidity. Unless it's still weekly. The weekly closes usually, the weekly like wicks are usually good draws on liquidity. Unless it be this, or like this, then it's not a good draw on liquidity. So, yeah. Look at the difference between these 2 days. Wow. That's crazy, bro. Okay. 4 hour, bearish. 1 hour, slow but bearish. Unless we reverse. Wow. Then this be London high. This be Asian low. Should already swept, so we could get a reversal off this. Hopefully get an entry. Yep. Sit on the 2-minute. Yeah, there could be something here. Let's go. Let's see. Guys, you can't be doing this to me, bro. Can't be doing this to me. Because it's too perfect. Like, how would you... Like, where's the fair value gap? Where's, like, the obvious fair value gap to trade off here? Okay, we got a retracement into this fair value gap in 3-minute. And then we expand higher. Probably target these highs. No, come here. Come here. Come here, bro. There you go. The stop would be 130 points. Okay, no way this will run, bro. No way. I would have to... Oof. I don't think I'd trade this. Just because it's such a huge... Yeah, I'd probably go low risk here, so let's just go with 2 minis, bro. 2 minis. And then TP all the way to this high. And again, just a 1-to-1. That's such a strong rejection. I think we got fucked here. Yeah, okay. That's a loss. And that's really on me because... Okay, I don't want to see what's going to happen today, though. We go bearish as fuck. Okay. Wow, okay. Then eventually... Okay, we don't. No, never mind. Never mind. Yeah, I stopped trading around here, so... This would have been, like, really shitty. This is a good draw on liquidity. It's decent, but... Oh, this is what happened at 10. Yeah, we have news at 10, and then we just dumped a bit. Wow. So the only viable trade would be from market open to these highs, but I usually just never trade market open because of the volatility. This would have been the only viable trade with no entry. That's the thing. That's like the main issue. If this was like an inverse fair value gap right here, like if this wasn't an up candle, then we'd have something. But we don't. Like, yeah, we just don't. We don't have anything obvious at all. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, but it's an eval. We get to trade another day. So let's go to Friday. Friday. What the fuck is up with Friday? Where's the... Wow. Massive sell-off. Friday. Spam. Okay. So we had news at 8:30, so this is strong draw on liquidity. Where's the 8:30 candle? There it is. So that'd be the lows. I mean, if okay, this was the 8:30 candle. It's just a wick, bro. Look at that. But both draws have already been taken, so it wasn't really like a strong news event. Like it wasn't. Yeah, the candle looks crazy, but it's already been taken out, bro. Like it's already been taken out. So for my draws on liquidity, let's go to the 4-hour. 4-hour, what the fuck? Yeah, we're bearish. We're bearish till the 4-hour. We may even take out this low right here. Possibly, bro. We were super close. We are super close, yeah. Let's go into the 1 hour. We're trading back into the fair value gap, so we're very bearish. 30-minute, same thing. 15-minute, same thing. Look at this one right here. And fair value gaps are really prominent and really strong if they're like on multiple time frames. So we get it, the same fair value gap on the 1 hour, on the 30-minute, on the 15 minutes, on the 10-minute, right here, on the 5-minute. Like, that's when you know it's prominent. So we're looking for like a huge sell-off. We got manipulation, we're accumulating, and then it probably distributes higher, but let's just see what happens. So very low volatility. There's probably very low volatility till Powell speaks. So market is dead, bro. Market is dead. Okay, I mean, there is some volatility, but yeah, I don't think we'd be going all the way down here. Maybe down here, this low, but not anywhere else. Then we could trade back into this high. That'd be my only like drawn liquidity. So let's see if we get a setup till there. We do not. Very choppy. I don't like this price action at all. Yeah, what the fuck was that? Okay, we got the Twin Towers. Okay, so it looks like we just swept this double low right here. And then now we're just expanding lower. Okay, we just hit this low. So are we going to reverse off this and get a clean entry with this 2-minute inverse fair value gap, or are we not? Actually, I probably want to go on the 3-minute. Yeah, there you go. Wow. What is this price action, dudes? Honestly, I think I'm way better on evals and funded accounts than fucking backtesting, bro. I hate this shit so much. I despise backtesting, bro. Okay, am I gonna get an entry model to this low or not? Because what the fuck is this candle, bro? Like, what is this? What are we doing? Like, actually. Like, we're not getting anything. There's no entries, bro. Like, what would you enter off but discretion? Okay, we go low. That's okay. And we do get this. Okay, cool. I definitely enter here. I definitely go long here after this 2-minute candle closure. Boom. Boom. boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Oh, there you go. My stop is 80 points. Okay, 80. What's the amount? 80. 500 divided by. I think it's 6. 6. Is it 6 or 3? I think it's 3. Is that 3? 3 micros. Oh no, I didn't turn off the candle closure. Hold on. I need to go back. Let's go here. Place order. 3 minis. Perfect. And our take profit is 1200. Nice. Let's see how this plays out. I'd want to go break even at this internal high. Perfect. Then my balls will cool off because it's a risk-free trade. And it runs to full take profit. There we go. We got something. 1500, so that's half of our goal of passing the eval. And what is it? It's been a week. Yeah, this has been the week, and we're halfway to passing the eval. This is why you gotta show up every day, bro. Because you never know when it's gonna be your lucky day. And how the fuck? Okay. See, this is what I mean. Like, I'm better with reversals than continuation, because some continuation will probably find an entry here to this low and then you take a short, but I can only trade reversals. Again, it's way better RR, as you can see, and I never want to go more than like 1 to 3 just because of like consistency. Like, sure, we can get huge moves if there's like news or some bullshit, but mostly just 1 to 2, 1 to 3 RR. I don't like going 1 to 1. I'll say that much. Unless I really need the money or a winning day or whatever, I would not like to go on a simple 1 to 1. But that was good. Let's go to the next trading day. Again, this trade, I was shaking, bro, and then there was almost no drawdown. It was literally just huge displacements. But I was very confident before taking it. Anyway, let's just go to the next day. Let's try and pass this account. Also, I need to check, am I recording? Yes, I am. And I look very bored. You guys are probably just looking at my hair the whole time, but who cares? Let's keep on trading. Also, should I move my camera maybe a bit less? Maybe here? Is this better? Because then you can see, like, this should be fine. This should be fine. Okay, let's go back. Delete everything, and then find market open. Dude, I don't know how I used to backtest for like, you know, like 10 hours straight. Like, I hate this so much. Because it's not even the same as trading in real time. Not at all, not at all. It's just for statistics, just to show you guys, just to upload a YouTube video, just to have some bit of market experience. But it's not the same thing at all, at all. But again, my entries, emergence fair value gap on a candle closure, not a wick, not a fart, a candle closure, and preferably on the 2 minutes. Those I find to be the best. If I get a 2 minutes emergence fair value gap, beautiful. I know some people trade on the 30-second, the 1 minute, and I'd only take that if I knew the strong liquidity was like gonna certainly hit, and that was like perfect. So let's go. Let's just trade this shit. Okay. Let's fast forward. Perfect. Let's go on the 4 hour. So we get this. Is this a daily gap or just tweaking? Yeah, that's a new week gap. And guys, what happens when we get these gaps in the markets? I don't know how they're formed. I haven't actually studied that, but price will always want to go back and retrace into those. Usually, okay, I'm not gonna say always, like 95% of the time, price will retrace back into these zones, these gaps, especially the weekly ones, um, before trading lower or higher. And as you can tell here, we're very bearish today because of the gap. And then we look bearish on the hourly as well. We may be looking to take out these lows, so like collective lows. So I'm gonna mark out this. Yep. And again, it's a new week. This is a Monday, so you gotta be careful. There we go. And then, so we do look, it looks like accumulation, manipulation, distribution is possibly happening here. Let's see clear on the 5 minute. Let me see if there's any news as well. It's a no news Monday. It's 7, no news Monday, almost no news week, bro. What is this? So probably very slow, improbable week. Let's just see what happens. Okay, coming off market open. Not much is happening, but we could reverse off either this low or this low right here. Yep. And we could expand higher. So I'm gonna carefully. Okay, we sapped the low. Now we did. Now we certainly did. Okay, that looks like a clear liquidity sweep. I go on the 2 minute. There's no fair value gap, so I will not trade it. 3 minute, no fair value gap. See what happens. Keep on trading lower. We could be possibly going into this low, or this one right here. I don't know how people just have like such little stuff on the charts. Like usually my stuff is filled with lines and shit. It just keeps me locked in, bro. It just keeps me focused. Okay, I will not trade that. No. But fuck. I wouldn't trade it, but it would have fucking worked. Look at that. Fuck. And TP would have been there. Fuck. This is what I mean. I'm too scared to fucking take trades, bro. Look at this shit. Are you kidding me? Then we run all the way. Holy bye, bro. I did not see that setup, but yeah, this would have been a crazy trade, guys. Just a little something, bro. Just a little something. Fuck. Can't keep missing shit like this, bro. I can't keep missing setups. Look at this. What the fuck is this, bro? I want the 7, bro. What is this? Stop, 67 points. 6-7. Oh, and then take profit would have been a lot. 500 points. Yeah, that's nuts, bro. I would have been kind of suicidal after looking at this shit, but let's just go to the next day. Let's just go to the next day, bro. Or should I go back now? Fuck it. Like the model works, but I don't fucking work. Okay. I need to spot it. And know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay. Again, I probably would have caught that on if we're actually trading live. It's just different, bro. It's just different. Okay. 9:30 open. Where are we? Okay. Wow, we expanded high as fuck. Holy. Wow. That's insane, bro. What? On a no news Monday, we got all that volume, all that cake. Fuck. A 380k. There's gotta be some context to it. A 390k volume, 30-minute candle on a no news Monday. Okay, buddy. How much total for the day actually? 500k. And 300k came from just that one candle. Crazy, bro. That's crazy. This is like the craziest investor value gap. Look here. Wow. Crazy, bro. Wow. This is insane. Yeah, I'm definitely leaning bullish just because of all the liquidity up here. Like, I don't know what the fuck happened there, but there's definitely something going on, so I'm gonna tap that. I'm gonna mark out the open here. Let's go to the 5-minute. Okay. On the 4-hour, we're expanding higher. I am very, very much bullish. On the 1 hour, we're doing the exact same shit. Unless we take out some of this low resistance liquidity, I don't think so. Getting manipulation, accumulation, distribution possibly, but we're so close to that point, yeah. Okay. So I want an entry model to those highs, which you might not even get. See what happens at open. Trade lower. Okay, this is good. There'd still be no entry model for me though, so I wouldn't trade. Nothing for me here. Nothing. Barcode, bro. So you're going to go down again? No? Okay, so straight to TP. Never mind. Okay. A little rough. But I do think we're going to hit those highs. Yep. Yes. No. It got edged, bro. Nah, it hit because it was a fucking 30-minute, not a 4-hour. But okay, we hit that shit. And then what could I possibly be looking for on a no-news Tuesday with the highest volume I've ever seen? Look at that. So much volume in April, bro. What? Okay, I get off here. Yeah, at 11 I get off. Wow. So we pretty much just got no liquidity sweep, no entries, just straight to fucking moon, bro. Straight to the motherfucking moon. Wow. I don't know what to say. Like, maybe you could have taken shorts. Like, how? There's just nothing, bro. Okay. Shitty day. We move. Next one. Okay, next day we fucking dump. We're still locked in, chat. We're still locked in. You're gonna make so much fucking money, bro. I'm so broke. I need the money so bad. It's Christmas as well, bro. I need something, bro. I need a payout. Like, I'll actually do whatever it takes for a payout, bro. I don't care. I don't care. The only thing that's on my mind is getting that one fucking payout. Where's my phone? Oh, it's recording. I'm so dumb. I want to buy a camera too, so I can be on my phone whilst I'm making a YouTube video, bro. Okay. My ass. Fuck. Let me see if we're recording. Yeah, and we've been for like almost an hour now. This video is gonna be long. I don't think I'll edit it, just because fuck it, bro. I don't care. We've passed half an account. Anyway, let's just keep going. Let's keep trading. So far, where are we at? I want to see the stats. I want to see what it's actually looking like. No, just this one session. %. Yep. This is my win rate, about 75%. 4 trades in what, 2 weeks? A week and a half? Yep. 4 long, 0 short. One to 5 win to loss ratio, profit factor 4. These are really good stats. Let's keep going. It's all about avoiding the losing days and taking the winning days. I know, I'm fucking good at this shit, guys. Okay, so we're not even into market open, they're already pumping. And then we're dumping. Okay, cool. What the fuck's going on? Okay, we have news at 2 p.m. We have FOMC minutes. That's fucking cool, bro. Okay, so we're trading bearish on the 4 hour, bullish on the 1 hour. Like, we're still in the 4 hour gap, but we're also like with bullish structure on the 1 hour. Like, we're forming higher highs, so we're trending upwards on the 1 hour. On the 30 minute, same thing. We have an SMT with ES. What is it? 138. I don't think we do. We do not. Okay. Okay, so we could wow. 15 minute. We could take out this low before hitting up this high, or the opposite. Let's see what happens. Market open, we sweep, then honestly, if we inverse this 2 minute, I'd take a short. If we inverse this 2 minute, I'd take a short. We did not inverse the 2 minute. We did not inverse the 2 minute. What the fuck? Okay. New fair value gap, this one right here. If we inverse this 2 minute. What the f? So we're just gonna respect every fair value gap now. What the f? What is going on? Okay, shit. Are we just gonna barcode our way to everything? Like, what? Okay, do we have enough volume? did inverse this 2 minutes right here. So the only viable trade today would be this. From here, it would have been a 1-to-1 unless you go down to these lows, but like these lows. This would have been the trade chat. And then, Miguel, did you just use replay? Did you just go back? Yes, but just shut up, okay? It's my fucking YouTube video, so let me backtest properly, bro. I'm gaining experience, okay? When you guys backtest, you don't have to be fucking robots. Like you're always trying to do like the fucking you know, you're always trying to do like exactly as if you were an eval or a funded account. No, you can actually trade differently, so you can actually get some experience, okay? So this would have been the trades. We inversed this 2 minute. We inversed this 2 fucking minute. And then we would have taken shorts. So we swept these high. Blah blah. Would have inversed to these lows. So how big is the stop is 80 points and the target is 226 points, which somehow is going to be viable just because of the fucking momentum. And again, we have all this low resistance liquidity. See, I'm learning as we go along, bro. We learn as we go along. I mean, yeah, that doesn't count. Fuck you, teammate. Fuck you, bitch. Okay. What's the stop? 80 points. What's gonna be 3 micros? See, I need to learn how to manage my risk as well. So that's why we're doing this, okay? That's why we're doing this. Like, I wouldn't trade a mini right here and do like 200 points. That would have been crazy. So I'm good. This is good. We're getting good experience right here. I didn't know April was this volatile. So let's go. I'm gonna do sell. Hello? Where's the take profit thingy? Okay, there you go. Stop loss. Okay, this would have been too much. See, this is why we do this, okay? This is why we do this. This is why we do this. Close position. Okay. Okay. Candle closure. Then be 2 minis, 2 micros, bro. 2 micros on a trade and be this much of a stop loss and take profit. Okay, not bad at all. Let's see how it plays out. I'd definitely go break even at this high right here. This low, I mean. So I go break even right there. Because they'll hit it. Yep, right here. And I usually like to go by the candle closure and not really the full low. Just because it's safer. Okay, we got molested. Yeah, that's fine. And then just straight chop, bro. Oh, yeah. Let's do that. Let's go. Let's fucking miss the setup and then run to TP afterwards, like 20 minutes later. Yeah, that's perfect. Actually, we missed it by like 2 points, but fuck you. No, nope. There we go. I mean, what was the setup here? This, and this would have been it. This what you wanted? Like, why? Are you kidding me? So this would have worked. This right here would have worked. This is a fucking, yeah. See, the strategy works, guys, but sometimes, you know, you don't get lucky, bro. Sometimes you just don't get lucky. Close this shit. Bye bye. I'm gonna remove the position. Fuck you. I'm mad now. Fuck you. Okay. Next there. Start of New York session. Okay. Okay, clear fucking draws on liquidity. Right here. Right there, bro. And then it's a 30-minute looking like this. Like this. KK. What? This is pre-market. Oh, we had news. Okay. This is good. We get data highs and lows. This is good. This is good, Chad. This is good. Look at that candle, bro. Look at that candle, bro. Data highs and data lows. Look at that. With these sweepy lows. With these sweepy lows. Come on, man. Don't do anything crazy pre-market. There we go. Okay. So we inversed this gap. And I would honestly take this. Data highs are a really prominent draw liquidity. We just closed this gap right here. So I would honestly take this and then to data highs, and I'd definitely go break even right here. Break even. Yeah, break even. Go long. So here, no. To here, yes. 150 points. Stop loss here. 45 points, so that's gonna be 4 micros. Yes, that's good. And then TP here, data highs. But beautiful trade. If this doesn't play out, I'm gonna kill myself. Dude, I'm retarded, bro. I'm fucking retarded. You know why? This thing of trading market opens, you know what I just realized? You know what? Just for my psychology, so I don't actually kill myself, I'm gonna return this shit. That was crazy. When I trade off market open, I just realized this. When I see other people trading off market open, it's always after a draw liquidity has already been taken out. So not only do we get manipulation and accumulation in the inverse fair value gap, but we need draw liquidity to have been taken out, which is exactly what happened here. So I don't go fucking insane, I am going to let this. Okay, we got a small retracement in the fair value gap, and then we got the sweep of liquidity, and then I'd be looking to take along after this fair value gap, bro, right here. After inverse this one, not the bottom one, of course. And I go break even. Okay, there's no fucking break even. Okay, we inverse this. We do not. Okay, bro, that's cool. You can chop. It's fine. It's fine. That's cool, bro. It's fucking dope. As the kids will say, yeah, there's no fair value gap. What the fuck is this? Fucking Twin Towers looking ass. What the fuck? What are we doing, guys? What are you actually doing? Are we gonna go up? No. Literally nothing. Not a single inversion, bro. Okay, be one of those days we'll probably wait until later to get a setup. But like, what is this? What is a sell-off? This makes no sense. It's probably because of the inflation rates or whatever. Like, probably fucked up the market with all these news. There's no setup. No setup, no trade. Okay, we tap these double lows. We may get a little something here. But again, no fair. Okay, there you go. We got a fair value gap here. So if we inverse this 3 minutes, take a long to these highs. We don't do shit, bro. We just dump. Oh. Okay, this one right here. We inverse this 3 minute, which is also 2 minutes. We get something to these highs. Never mind, it's already 11, so I would have hopped off. Yeah, I would have hopped off. But I just want to see what happens. Yeah, I would have gone fucked, so that's good we didn't trade. That's why I always trade between 9:30 and 11 a.m. Never any other session, any other thing, nope. Not for me. What the fuck is this sell-off though? What the fuck is this? There's like nothing here, bro. Like, what are we targeting? Fucking 2008 financial crisis. What the fuck is this? Let's keep going. I've only been at this for like an hour and a half now. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like backtesting, bro. Fuck this shit. I want to go outside. Anyhow, it's a fucking Sunday, bro. The gym is closed again. I've said this before. Why did I? Yeah, guys. First payout. I'm getting a suitcase and the laptop. Okay. Okay. Next day. Friday. 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 Freddy Fazbear Pizzeria. We're eating every night to room in invite. Oh yeah, this is the FNAF 2 movie. I haven't seen it yet. It dropped a couple days ago. I need to see it, bro. I need to see it. I need to see it. Okay, huge 2-minute gap. This could mean something, but it doesn't mean much right now. It does not mean shit. Okay, lows, highs, context. On the 4-hour, we look to be bullish, bearish. 1 hour. We're forming higher highs, so I'd assume bullish, but we could just be taking out this low resistance liquidity and dump like crazy again. Also, we had news again at 8:30, so... Wow, look at that candle, bro. We had news again at 8:30, so... Let's see what's that about. There's like no volatility, yeah. We have news at 10. So we'll see how that falls out. You know, if all this low resistance liquidity, we could be taking some of this out before expanding higher, but those are just speculations, those are just theories. And again, we have highs and lows. Let's just see how the market does. And again, I'm not going to trade off open because we didn't sweep anything. We just didn't. So yeah, we didn't sweep this low. So I'm actually going to mark it and we're going to see how we do. Yeah, so we actually respect the 2 minute. And then we start trading higher. Possibly take a trade to this high. There's no fair value gap right here, so yep. We actually inversed this one. Not really. Yeah, what the fuck? Okay, we inversed this one. There's no liquidity. There was right here actually. Yeah. So I trade from this low to this high. 1 to 2. Let's go. Let's see how this plays out. I'm actually pretty confident in this setup, so let's see it. Stop 64 point. Oh, it's raining. I don't care. I'm still gonna walk in the rain. Okay, buy. Sell. That's a good risk. Some good fucking risk. 1 to 2, baby. Let's see how this plays out. I go break even at this high right here. So yeah, this one, this high. So I go break even right here. I show my stop loss to a winning day just because I can. I'd cry because I got edged 5 points to my TP. Don't tell me we just... No way, no way. Did you guys see that? Holy shit. Replay that, bro. Replay that shit. We got edged by 1 point from our break even and ran to TP. I mean, it's not a break even, it's a winning day break even. That's what I like to do. Just because, like, you know, if I'm going for a payout, I'd rather, instead of making nothing, I'd get a winning day for a payout. But that's crazy. I don't think that's gonna happen again. Guys, there's one more winning trade and we're out, bro. I want to be done with this fucking challenge thing. Well, if I had my full take profit, it wouldn't have run. Okay, so that was a perfect trade. That's why I said I was confident on that one. Perfect stop loss, perfect risk. If I could have even dragged my stop loss all the way to here, it would have been 500 risk, and it would have been perfect. So, yeah, I like this one a lot. But wow, that was, bro. What? Trading is crazy, bro. Anyways, next week. So to pass the account, it's already taken me 2 weeks, which I don't mind. It's low risk. Of course, if I would have taken like higher size, like double the risk, but I'm literally trading exactly as if we were funded, with winning days, with small risk, 1%, less than 1% sometimes. So let's see what else is there to do. Okay. I'm never backtesting again, bro. I hate this shit so much. think I've said that shit like 5 times in the video, bro. Okay, what the I'm hungry, bro. I just keep saying shit. Okay, what is going on? We have this 4-hour low. Overall, on the 4-hour, oh, we might be bearish just because of the new week gap right here. And I don't think we'll be going that high in the market. So I do think it's gonna get a little retracement right here, so we can expand higher. But of course, anything can happen. We can. Okay, this shit is pretty strong. Not gonna lie. This shit is pretty strong. Okay, let's see what happens even just before the market opens. Let's say 15 minutes. Okay. Pretty slow, but I think we're getting accumulation so we can distribute. And we already took out this high from the first candle of the week, first 15-minute candle. So we're gonna mark that out actually. Could be looking for a short setup right here. Potentially after we inverse this 2-minute gap. So let's see what happens. We inverse this gap very much, so I take a trade right here. I'll definitely be going short, so $50-point stop loss. And then I take profit at this low right here for a 1 to. Ooh, I wouldn't like a 1-to-1 now. Actually, can I make this shit more visible? Make it red. Yeah, that's better now. Make it red and make this shit green. It's normal colors, bro. There you go. Yeah, why is it so ugly, bro? Why the fuck is it so ugly, bro? Never mind, I'll put it back to blue. Why is that shit so ugly as well, bro? The fuck? Okay. It's too bright. There you go. There you go. Actually, no. What the okay. Just so y'all can see it. Stop loss, 50 points. To this high right here. Cheeky 1-to-1 or a 1 to. Nah, not this low. I don't think so. Maybe a 1-to-1 trade to be fair. Yeah. Maybe that's a strong displacement. I don't think we're gonna go higher. Like it really wouldn't make any sense. After sweeping, not just the fair value gap now. After sweeping the high, this high right here, I do think we're going to go lower. If we do go higher, I don't know, man. I don't know. Might just have to quit trading, bro. Target 60 points, so it's gonna be a 3-point stop loss again. Sell. Is it 3 micros? No, it's 4. It's 4. Yeah, it's 4. Yeah. Okay, let's see how this plays out. So we immediately get wigged out. This is why it's much better to have the stop loss at the swing high / low instead of the fair value gap, because you can see we did just wick it out, especially at market open. Like, of course it's gonna be volatile. Then I go break even right here because we stoop down this low. Then take profit, go ahead. Cool. A cheeky 1-to-1. Can't complain. And then we do go lower. Yeah, I would have ran all the way down. Holy bro, what the fuck? What a dump. What a dump. But it's okay. We got a piece of the pie. It could have been a 1-to-2. Now I kind of regret it not being a 1-to-2, but again, we live to trade another trading day. And I'm still getting the hang of trading market open. I've never done it before, neither on backtesting nor live. No, I think I did it on live once and it was a win, so it wasn't too bad. Okay, 2.8k, bro. A small win and we win. A small win and we win. So I would actually de-risk, because I don't need the money. Like, it's just to pass the eval. So, okay, we only need to make about 100 bucks. Yeah, just 100 bucks. That's it, bro. That's it. Literally one micro, one fucking micro. One fucking micro, bro. Okay. 930. Okay. We swept out this high. Just yeah, let me just do that. We swept out this high. We could be trading lower or higher to one of these two highs. I mean, there's a lot of liquidity there. Let's go into the 4 hour. 4 hour, we swept this low. We could be going to this high, but we're overall very bullish on the 1 hour. Yeah, we're breaking higher highs, and there's no news, so there won't be much influence. But April seems to be a very good month when it comes to volatility, bro. Look at these candles, just such thick in volatility, bro. Yeah, we swept out these lows, so there you go. Yeah, honestly, what could happen, bro? Anything could happen. Anything, bro. Anything could fucking happen here. Let's see what the fuck happens. Okay, we go into this high. I'd be looking for a short position. I would not want to trade higher, just because. Okay, I'd be looking for a reversal, so potentially this fair value gap right here to be inversed. That would be cheeky and nice. If this got inversed, I'd target. Again, I could go for a 1-to-1 right here at these lows, but realistically, we could go lower to, for example, right here. Like, just so I don't catch the whole move. Like, this is a very prominent drawing liquidity, London lows. Session lows always are, but I don't need to catch the whole move, bro. I need the full candle closure on the 2-minute. Full candle closure, what the fuck? I don't think we're getting it, guys. I don't think we're getting it. What? Okay, there we go. We finally inversed. The only problem with this setup, it'd be like an A setup, not an A plus, just because I don't like pulling fair value gaps out of like the other side of the fucking world. Like, look at this shit. Like, at least it's not off open, but I still take this, honestly. Short. Top of the candle. And then do I want to go for a 1-to-3? Why not? Oh yeah, I only need 200 bucks. So sell 1 micro. Very low risk. Yeah, 76 bucks. And then take profit 100, 110 just to pass the account. This is exactly how I do it. Like, no need to do a full trade when it's literally just to pass the account. Would have done it, no? Yeah, there you go. And that's how you pass an eval. Now I just need to do this shit for real. Actual eval. I'm gonna look back on this video, see what I did wrong, what I did right, how should I trade. And here's the session eval, 8 trades to pass the account. Overall, let's look at the stats, bro. 85% day win rate, wow. Yeah, but it's a lot of break evens, so let's not really count those. A lot of break evens, 3 short, 5 longs, max drawdown, average drawdown, one to almost a 1-to-1 average win to loss trade ratio. But again, I do want to at least be on the 1-to-2, 1-to-3 RR category, just because for my psychology, it makes much more sense to be like having one win take out a bunch of losses. I know a lot of people would prefer like a higher win rate and one-on-one RR, but I can't deal with that. So yeah, like I don't mind losing, but I do mind losing. I mean, winning small. So these are the stats, guys. These are the trades. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun making it. Actually, that was a lie. This shit was fucking horrible, but I do like my performance. So yeah, hopefully this week is gonna be much better than the last one. The last week I'm actually down 390 on an eval. The problem is I had the winning days, so and then I had 2 losses in a row. So if I lose 2 trades again, that's the whole account gone. That's the eval gone. Am I going to de-risk? No, I would have not done that because that would mean that I'm making decisions based on my psychology and not actually the trade. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.